What are you doing in here?
Oh, Kelsey, good, you're here. Can you grab the other end and help me? I want to cut these down. You know, it's starting to get warm out, and I need a summer boot.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, just go and grab that end, and we're just going to cut the top off. Introducing the new Nicks Chukka. Perfect boot for summertime, saving you the trouble of having to cut your own boots down. So we've been working on this Chukka boot for a while. We're excited to show off for the first time. It's a bit of a minimalist design. The Chukka boot has some features that are unique to its style. You can see it's got the 3 eyelets, a pretty simplified upper pattern here, along with an internal heel counter, which is new for us. We decided to add a little bit of this accent sewing line here, so all of the boots will have this one line of white sewing to give it a little bit of a pop. It comes standard with a single row stitch, a non-gusseted tongue, so this should be a easy slip-on low top boot that you can just throw on and go. Great for the summertime. Should be a little bit cooler than your traditional tall Nicks options. So yeah, we're excited to show this off.
But just as durable.
But just as durable. The Chukka boot is more lightweight, a little bit cooler than a traditional Nicks boot, but just as durable. Still has that standard stitch down construction. You'll have some options for soles, different wedge sole options, lots of leather options like normal. You will see this being rolled out in a 0 drop option, as well as an option for a sleeker dress last that we're working on releasing here pretty soon. I think you should go check it out. If you've been looking for a boot that you can wear during the warmer seasons, you know, boots and shorts is kind of the new thing in the summertime. I'm getting lots of head shakes, so maybe it's not. But if you need to run outside real quick, you don't want to have to lace up your heavy boots, the Chukka will be quick and easy to get on. So yeah, don't be a sucker. Go get a Chukka. I don't know how to...
I'm just giving myself some options here. That was perfect. Okay, we're good.